Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all the love and support you are showing me. Today we're going to talk about manifesting what you want and how to do it without complicating things. The key is to focus on the present moment and to align what you want with the energy you're currently in. Let's dive in. When it comes to manifesting, people often forget to pay attention to the present moment. Look around you. Where are you right now? What do you hear, see, feel, and smell? Pay attention, be present. Step out of your head for a second and just observe. Empty your mind, just breathe, and listen to any sounds around you. Close your eyes if you'd like. Now, just casually imagine what you'd like to manifest. Don't try to force anything. Don't force emotions or feelings. Just imagine right now having it, touching it, feeling it, whatever sensory perception is involved. You can even just affirm to yourself that it's already yours. If you don't like visualizing though, there is no specific time limit for this. Just do it as long as it feels right, but do not force it. Now let it go, come back to the present moment again and move forward. Manifesting is easy. It was never meant to be hard. The part people fail to remember is that if you want to feel like you already have something, you need to feel exactly how you do right now. Because ultimately, you're always going to feel the same. Things don't change how you feel in the long run. We may feel happy when we first achieve something or receive something, but once we have it, we aren't going to feel that same crazy level of joy. We'll feel a normal and neutral level of happiness, the same level of happiness found in most everyday moments. The best way to feel something real is to simply feel exactly what you're feeling right now. If you're trying to win the lottery and forcing yourself to feel intense excitement and joy, this likely won't work. You need to feel neutral and content as if it were already yours. You already won, you already got your money, brought it home, spent it on some nice things. And now you're sitting down watching your favorite show, likely feeling pretty much the same as you did before. You're feeling exactly how you feel about everything else that is already yours because things don't change our state of being. That can only be changed by finding happiness in the current moment. Just look at someone wealthy who's unhappy and depressed with all of their success versus someone who has little but still chooses to show up to work every day with a smile on their face and a positive attitude. We create our happiness, not outside things. By manifesting with the energy of now, a neutral, content state, you are aligning what you want with the energy you are currently in. It essentially erases all resistance to your desire. Think of how easily you manifest things you hardly even think about. It's because you're living in the now, and that thought became an instant match to your state. Another great way to manifest, if you struggle to meditate or clear your mind, is to simply do activities that are so distracting that you have to live in the now. Something like riding a bike, playing a fast-paced sport, skiing, going to a concert, or even playing music. All you have to do is think a thought once, and it will manifest if you only think about it in a neutral manner and trust. If you like to take it a step further, meditation daily can help. Even just a few minutes of clearing your mind and then bringing the desire to your attention and affirming it's yours is a powerful way to align your energy with what you want to manifest. When you meditate, you are creating a space for yourself to connect with your inner self, the part of you that knows what you truly desire. And by focusing on your desire and affirming that it is already yours, you are sending a clear message to the universe about what you want. Remember, the key to manifesting what you want is to stay present, stay aligned with the energy of now, and trust that the universe will bring you what you desire. Don't overthink it or try to force anything. Just be in a state of neutral contentment, trust the process, and let the universe take care of the rest. Another great way to manifest, if you struggle to meditate or clear your mind, is to simply do activities that are so distracting that you have to live in the now. Something like riding a bike, playing a fast-paced sport, skiing, going to a concert, or even playing music. All you have to do is think a thought once, and it will manifest if you only think about it in a neutral manner and trust. However, if you'd like to take it a step further, incorporating a daily meditation practice can be very beneficial. Meditation allows you to quiet your mind and connect with your inner self, which can help you to manifest more effectively. Even just a few minutes of clearing your mind and then bringing the desire to your attention and affirming it's already yours is enough to make a huge difference. When you're meditating, you're allowing yourself to focus on the present moment and tune out the distractions of the outside world. This can help you to align your thoughts and feelings with your desires more easily, as you're not being pulled in different directions by external stimuli. As you focus on your breathing and let your thoughts come and go, you can visualize yourself already having what you desire, feeling the emotions and sensations that come with it. The key is to stay focused on the present moment without worrying about the past or future. Your desires are in the present, and so you must be as well. It's important to note that manifesting isn't just about thinking positively. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires in the present moment. To make it even easier to manifest what you want, try to surround yourself with positive energy and people who uplift you. This can help you to maintain a positive mindset and stay focused on your goals. You can also write down your desires, affirmations, or intentions, and keep them somewhere you can see them every day, like on a vision board or as a screensaver on your phone. Remember, the universe is always listening to your thoughts and feelings, so be mindful of what you're putting out there. If you want to manifest abundance, for example, focus on feeling abundant and grateful for what you already have in the present moment. By aligning your energy with your desires, you can manifest anything you want with ease and flow. Thank you so much for watching today's video on manifesting what you want. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.